Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we are going to take a look at some perfumes made by BellaVita. Now, this is the luxury experience set. They're going to let you try out 4 of their more popular brands, or their more popular perfumes, I guess you would say. Now, one of the things I'm going to tell you is these are made from real oils. So they're going to stick with you throughout the day. If you're using a cheap perfume or a cheap cologne, it's water-based generally, meaning that it is not going to last very long, and that's just going to fade away. This tends to last much longer. Also, these are generally set up to where they can be sprayed on male or female, especially the white version here. And it has a slightly different smell whether it is a male or a female. So that's kind of an interesting thing. They're going to let you try the regular, which is going to be in this really reddish bottle. They're going to have the gold, going to have the dark, and you're going to have the white. So if you want to know how they smell, they all have an individual different smell, all the way from the flowery smell all the way to the clean and crisp smell. So it's going to kind of be a preference, and that's why something like this, especially in a gift set, is perfect, for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, Christmas, because it allows the person to try the different ones and find the one that they really like. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars, because I love the fact they give you the variety. I love the way they're made with real oils, and I love the boxing on them. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we will see you guys on the next review.